guys, welcome to Lakehouse Studios. I'm JJ. Today I want to talk about 3 aspects that will actually change your business, and they include advertisement, websites, and social media. So you're probably asking yourself, what will these 3 things actually do different for my business? Well, the first part is advertisement. A lot of people just think that the plain Jane will actually get them a long ways. Well, believe it or not, you gotta do a little bit more work in order to actually receive more. Think about graphic design and promotional materials, what's really gonna actually attract your target audience and let people know who you are, your services, what specialty and niche that you have to offer. The next thing is websites. So a lot of people nowadays are more digital. So they're on their phone and they're on their laptops, they're on their tablets. So if I'm Joe Schmo and someone's searching for me, what's really gonna make that first really good impression that's really gonna change the difference between going to me for business over my competitor? The third thing to think about is social media. You wanna keep it engaging for your target audiences. So anyone can post anything on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. But what's really gonna stand out from the crowd? Thanks guys for watching this video. This is the first of many to come. Please subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and stay tuned for more videos.